Also have DDOG has earnings coming up. If they do good, I'll be expecting this back into the 200 moving average. If they do good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Well, this is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading System Show. If this is your first time, you're welcome to this channel. Well, we're going to be talking about stocks as usual, and looking at this, remember that this is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock or equity. This is for entertainment purposes only. Now, we're going to be going in and taking a look at the market sector, looking at how far we've come in terms of daily performance. We're really looking good across section, apart from Apple, of course. Looking at the full performance here for 1 week. Now we're looking at energy actually is lagging behind, followed by healthcare plans. Okay, pretty much scattered names here and there, like gold actually took a really a dip for the week. Okay, overall just scattered names in the energy side. Leading the way is the financial and technology, followed by consumer, cyclical. Okay, now let's take a look at what earnings whispers actually have. Most anticipated earnings we have pretty much Monday before the close. Some names, and of course we have after close Palantir, Ford, Hims and Hers as well gonna be reporting. Clorox as well, CLX gonna be reporting as well. Tuesday we're going to have Celsius, SMCI, AMD, Rivian, and of course Marriott. They're gonna be reporting. Wednesday Uber got report there, as well as after the close as Kavanaugh, CVNA, ARM, and as well DoorDash gonna be reporting, followed by Oxy on that, after the close. Thursday is going to be Peloton, Shopify, Coinbase, and so on and so forth, as well as DraftKings. They're going to be reporting as well. Friday is going to be PAR, TLS, Unip, and Enbridge as well. They are going to be reporting this week. But the most important is Wednesday. Let me tell you why. Looking at the US economic calendar for this coming week, starting Monday, May 5, we're looking at ISM services and S&P final US services PMI. Tuesday is going to be US trade deficit, and of course on Wednesday, that is the most important. This is really important. That's when we're going to have FOMC meeting, and of course following Fed JPowell press conference. So it's going to drive the market in a way to the upside or to the downside, because right now the president pretty much calling for interest rate to be cut, right? So but the Fed has that independency to act based on the economy, based on what's happening around the country and of course the world. Pretty much consumer credit as well at 3 p.m. Thursday is going to be initial jobless claim, US productivity, and of course wholesale inventory. Fed governor is going to be the Feds. They're going to be speaking on Friday. Okay, they are out of that loop right there. Pretty much last week we have the US equity indices actually advanced, as a result of jobs report. Numbers were good, numbers were okay, but then easing the tension with China and of course the US. Overall GDP didn't do good. That's why the market actually took a dive, and now the US equity actually rose because of the jobs report. So most people are actually calling for rates to be cut, but JPowell knows what is best for the market and for the federal government. Okay, let's take a look at SPY real quick here. Let's see what we're expecting this coming week. Remember, not recommendation, guys. Downtrend right here. We're looking at downtrend break, and pretty much stuck. This market didn't look back, and of course we are going to have a reaction here at the 200 moving average right here at 570. So we may get back into 570, reject it, and then revisit the 50 exponential moving average. Keep an eye out. If this really break the 200 moving average, then we're getting out of that correction zone right there. First stock here is going to be Tesla. Why Tesla? Right now we're looking at one of my favorite shape right here, the W shape. So right now we're looking at price at a 300. Anything above 300 we're good, and we'll continue to rally on this back into 320, 340. But for now, the reaction is still going to be Wednesday, when we're going to have our JPowell. Okay, Roku as well. Cathy would pretty much bought and dump this. Right now we're looking at price at 61.55. So look for more at 55 if it does come. Unity Software as well, they got earnings coming up next week, and downtrend pretty much breaking right here will be a good thing for this stock. So look for continued support at the 50 exponential moving average. With earnings coming up, we're going to be looking at the $23 break, or even $20 to the downside on that. JP Morgan Financial did good. SLF right now we're looking at 255, the next spot for this name. Price now need to really hold 250, 245 as a support. Matter as well. Matter at this point, downtrend breaking. Look at that beautiful gap right here. Found support at the 50 and still pushing to the upside. $600 spot, that is going to be the resistance right there on the name. ABT, looking at this trend as well, looking at 133, 132 as that resistance spot. AVGO, keep an eye out there as well. This is a doji right here. We're looking at what could possibly go wrong there. Probably a sell-off also is in the cards, but 200 is the support right now. NVDA at this point, downtrend break with the 50 exponential moving average as our support. So keep an eye out there. This hold the 115 can continue to the upside, at least 120. If it doesn't, then we're going to be looking at price back to 105 on this name. Nike as well, this is also another on my watch list. Pretty much looking at a trend right here. Break this 60, we're good to go to the upside. Keep an eye out there as the market continues to rally. Amazon as well also did good with the flight the other day, and downtrend pretty much broke and then retested, and now we're back into the 50 exponential moving average. Next spot on this name is the $200 spot, which is our 200 moving average right there. Boeing as well, looking at price back into that the beautiful eyes. 185, 190, that's the next spot at this point. 190, that's the next spot. 185 need to actually hold for momentum to the upside there. CAT as well, CAT at this point, downtrend break. We need that continuation right here, so keep an eye out. This may act as a resistance and back to the 50 or even to the 20 exponential moving average there. CRW, this is CrowdStrike Holdings, and this has been pushing to the upside. Look for this trend to continue. 450 is the next spot there. DDOG also have Datadog has earnings coming up. If they do good, I'll be expecting this back into the 200 moving average. If they do bad, look for $90 or even below 90 in the coming days. XP, S&P Global as well, downtrend breaking at this point with 200 moving average right there. Continuation there is going to be 510 break will continue to the upside. CMG as well, downtrend break, looking for that downtrend to the upside. It's pretty much similar look right here. Look for price back into the 200 moving average, and of course Palantir reporting, of course, look for more to the upside. This actually has been pushing into earnings. Earnings probably priced in. If for any reason they miss, we're going to be looking at price back to below $100 on that name. UNH as well. UNH, United Health Group, has been selling off to the downside, but for now I'll be expecting this to hold as support. If this area holds as support, expect some momentum back to the upside on this name, so keep a good close eyes there. Disney, we're looking at price at 92, 94. That would be the next spot. If it does break, we're looking at $100 in the coming days there. And INTU, Intuit, this is beautiful looking chart, beautiful shape right here for the price to really break 640, 635, 640. That is the next spot on this name, so keep a good close eye there. ARM as well got earnings coming up. Next spot is going to be the 200 moving average. Raven as well, IVN, they got earnings coming up, and this has been really breaking area. Next spot right here for this name is going to be the $15. If it does, then we're going to be looking at price back into this 1650 area again in the coming days. AMD, we talked about that. Downtrend break going for the upside there. Also ANET as well, keep an eye out, downtrend breaking, and right now we're looking for the 200 moving average. Uber, of course, earnings report coming in on this Uber, and so we're going to be looking for more to the upside. Anyways, keep an eye out. CVNA, we already talked about it, continuation to the upside there. Netflix also looking at momentum to the upside as well. $1,200, that is the next spot. Anyways, we are really in the overbought, but you don't know how long this can be in the overbought zone, so keep an eye out there. J&J, Cisco as well, look for more to the upside here with 60 as the next spot. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for spending your weekend with me, guys. If you have any questions or concern, you can email me at tradingsuccessshow@gmail.com. Peace and love, guys. Bye bye.